Hey hello guys, my name is Shafiq. Welcome back to my new vlog. I hope you all are doing well. तो आज का vlog काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है because today we are going to the Disney's second private island called Castaway Cay, or in simple words you can also call it paradise in the Bahamas. Alright, so this island is also one of the most beautiful island. This is a little small island than the last one, but still one of the most beautiful island. Alright, so let me take you out and then you decide and you tell me in the comments how's you like the island. Alright, let's take it out. Hey guys, तो finally हम लोग आ चुके हैं बाहर Castaway Cay में. Well, this ship is made actually in 1998. This is one of the oldest ship, but the Disney has maintained it really so well कि आज भी ऐसा बिल्कुल it looks exactly the new ship. They maintain it so well. Well, that's the magic of Disney. Disney magic. Hey guys, तो finally हम लोग आ चुके हैं Castaway Cay में बाहर. ये पीछे जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, this is our ship. This is what we have here, the tram station where the tram comes and stops. This is, we have one of the picture point, alright, where the guest can come in. It is written Disney Castaway Cay, and behind we have the ship, so guests can have picture here. So guys, just look at the view. It looks so beautiful, like it's all natural beauty here, what the Disney is preserving. So guys, as you can see, कि यहाँ पे दो ways हैं. So guys, there is no one else at the moment I think who is doing the stingrays, swimming with the stingray. But stingrays I can show you. So guys, we have come finally to the beach after the stingray, and this is all the guest area where the guests can come and sit. They have a lot of sunbed for them and also the umbrella, but now the weather is pretty good. It's not really sunny, but it looks so amazing guys. I think if you're planning to come with a family, this is the best spot, I'm telling you, in the world to spend your time with. We have got the information here for all the places in the beach, but I like the bikes, so we're gonna go for the bike the next. All right, let's go. Bar where the guests can come and have drinks with a view of this beautiful ocean. So guys, let me just show you. This is one of the guest area where the guests can come and they can swim with the kids and everyone. And we also have here the lifeguard, so in case anything wrong happens or anything who's not able to swim, they can save them if anything wrong. So you can see there are a lot of lifeguards around just for the safety of the guests. This is after coming from the beach. If the guests want to have a little shower with the clean water, they can have that as well. This is for the guest shopping in case if they want to buy something related to the Bahamas.
Oh, I see it.
They've actually got a really nice collections for the guests to take home. We have got here the flippers and floats. So this is again for the guest tours and everything. So if the guests want to book for any tour or any walk-up rentals, perfect place. So we have got here a ship standing right here. You see, we have got the lifeguards here who's keeping sharp eye. Even काफ़ी इतनी दूर तक भी अगर आप देखेंगे तो वो काफ़ी दूर तक भी बैठे रहते हैं. So Disney is really very strict about the safety and security of the guests, and they take all the guest safety and security very seriously. That's off. got here the seashores. So if the guests want to buy something for their kids any toys or anything to make like a sandcastles toys. They can buy from here. They can have t-shirts. They can have the scooper.
Which one do you like better? This one?
So guys, this is we have tram station, and now we are gonna wait for some time here for the tram to come, and then we'll go to the Serenity Bay, which is at the beach, and just next to it we have the Crew Beach. So we'll go to the Crew Beach now. Okay, so we'll just wait for a tram for a minute, and just take 5 minutes to come. And once it'll come, then we'll go there. See you in 2 minutes. Yeah. So guys, we have got some beautiful family members. The new member who just joined the Disney Cruise Line. Say hi, everyone. And they all are here to see, look at this beautiful Castaway Cay Island. Enjoy, guys. Have fun. Have fun. Good to see you all. Welcome to the Disney. Alright guys, so it's a cycle time now, so we'll go on a cycle to the Crew Beach. Let's go. So guys, driving cycle on the island is different experience. So guys, this was the Disney has just made a new Crew Beach. This is a Crew Beach where they've made a basketball set. They also got the chairs around to sit. We also got here the Crew Beach. We also have lifeguard on the Crew Beach.
Come on, bless up, lifeguard on duty.
Hello, we got right here. Hey guys, so I hope you really like the place which I show you today. This is Disney's private island, Castaway Cay. Right? और I hope कि आपको सबको पसंद आया होगा. अब now it's time to go back to the ship, क्योंकि मेरे को वापस ड्यूटी स्टार्ट करनी है, and also मेरे को साइकिल भी वापस करनी पड़ेगी. तो we have to give the cycle back and then take the tram to go back to the ship. Because ship is a little far, I can't walk. Right? See you guys in some time. मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर में. Alright guys, तो tram आ चुकी है और I think it's time to go back to the ship. Alright, so let's go in. Alright guys. Alright guys, so finally हम लोग आ चुके हैं अपने शिप पर, and now we'll go and have lunch and then we'll take a shower and sleep, and then 4 o'clock I'll start my duty. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this one and have fun.